Hey everybody, welcome to week 12. Getting close to the end, as you probably are aware of, as seniors ready to graduate. Be sure to finish strong. Keep working on your paper. Whenever you can fit it into your schedule, be sure you do that and keep it on your schedule. Make sure you have some time penciled in to be working on it. So I will send out one final request with a sign-up sheet to get together for one-on-one meetings to check in on you and to see if you need any support. So the draft that you see here is actually worth more than the final paper. So this should be the draft that is what you think pretty close to finished. So I need to change that language there because then I can give you feedback and then you can incorporate that feedback into a final draft. So there's a suggested due date again. I don't think anybody's ready to submit at the end of this week, but this should be your next target, submitting this full, I'm going to call it draft because we know it won't be a final paper. But this is what your target should be at this point. So I did provide feedback and grade everything that you've submitted so far. So take a look. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll look forward to meeting with each of you soon.